Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for Monday, January 12th, 2014. We had our non-farm number day today, but not a lot to show for. We're actually to the downside here, by about 19 handles on the NQs and 14 on the ES. So definitely seeing some sloppiness in the overall tape, but it's not necessarily translating to downside signals here from the scans. As you can see in the NASDAQ patch, we don't have a whole lot here. The volume's actually down. The volume was in front of the number. After the number here, there's not that much volume. Volume is definitely down today versus the last couple of sessions. But you can see just general sloppiness here. Most things are trading below the day's open, so we're seeing bearish candles for the most part on the charts. Looking at the financials again, same kind of theme. Not a lot of signals, but look at the sloppiness here. A lot of these names are 2% or more below the day's open. The only positive thing for the bears here is that it is happening on a fairly light volume. Energy names also very, very light volume, but energy has been in motion, so there are some pretty big movements here. You can see the movement in Brazilian PBR. Valero's very, very weak today. The refiners are getting hit with that backup of distillates that was shown in the Wednesday reports, and still hitting those names. Take a look at the market generals. Just a couple of signals to the downside here. Mostly light volume. Nothing's really going to probably qualify for a volume bump. The only thing that might with Disney. Housing names pretty benign here. Some to buy, some to sell, but generally speaking, a little bit better than the overall market. Transports. American Airline is fairly weak. AAL, that's down about $1.50. Delta's fairly weak, down $1.15. Most of these stocks are down 2 to 3%. So we could be starting to see a little bit of a turn here. So let's keep an eye on those for next week. Commodities, sloppy again. FCX and Monsanto have contra candles to the downside. You see the movements here. Most of these are to the downside fairly decently. So we're again just trading off today's number and not having much to show for on the positive side. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.